Hello, my name is Jacob Cleaver and I am Propmaster, and this is... I haven't really got a name for today, but today on whatever the show is called, I might call it props or making props or something like that. Anyway, I am Jacob Cleaver, aka the Propmeister, and today we are going to conclude the ezio auditore brotherhood costume by either upgrading / repairing the hidden blade from the toy. Now, the reason why I say upgrading / fixing is because the hidden blade likes to come apart. So the way that I sorted that out is by taking all the springs out and making it a pulley system, which works in the same way, and as well makes it safer because I can't activate it unless I disengage the clip or the lock. So it hasn't got a lock back there anymore, that's been taken out, and now it's got all hand operated things. But I do need to put something on this so you can disengage that and then flick out your hand and be like, what? So anyway, to show you very closely, or closer, what's going on. Basically, this activates the button by when either drilling a hole straight through at the back, putting fishing wire through, tying it here, then putting it all the way in the inside, just drilling the hole in there to keep it so it doesn't flop around. And when you pull that, it disengages or it engages the button, and then I put a pulley system all through the gauntlet or hidden blade. I put at the bottom of this blade, I drilled a hole, put a piece of fishing wire through, tied it and glued it, then drilled another hole like here where the hole in the blade is at the bottom, and then drill a hole and then pulled the fishing wire through that so when this moves, as you can see, when this one, the bottom one moves the top one. Right, basically, so you drill a hole through this one in there, like I said, and then you drill a hole through this side as well. Put a piece of fishing wire through the blade, tie it off and glue it down, then pull the wire through the other hole in this. Then that would be the mechanism to pull out this portion of the blade. But unfortunately, my shall see. Unfortunately, I didn't glue down that bit on the opposite side, so it came undone. Or it didn't come undone because I only basically I'll show you in a minute. But basically, I just tied it in a knot, and the knot came undone. So I didn't glue it down, which I should have done. Right, now you need to get some measure wire and loop it around this portion or this one, doesn't matter which one, and then you have to drill a hole in the side that you want to place, and I need to now put it around and then glue it into place so it doesn't come off or undone. First thing, the last thing you need to do is drill a hole, but at the front on the top part, and then get a piece of fishing wire the length of about 10 to 15 centimeters. Then you put where the springs go, you wrap it around it and tie it off in there. Then you put it through where you drilled, and then basically you get like a ring or something, and then measure or kind of work out whereabouts you want it. So in this case, I have it like that. So when I put my hand down or do the iconic ezio thing, it comes out. But the only problem is you have to put it back in manually, and sometimes when you got the bracer on for this part, just get a bit pinchy, so you might have to find where you want it to be. But that's basically the last thing you need to do. As I said, hole there, put the string, tie it off back here, or on the part where the spring goes on this tier, and then thread it through, measure how far you want it before it comes out, and then you have the blade that comes out with a simple pull. So yeah, I don't know what the next thing will be, but at some time I want to go over these ram braces, make them more metal looking and everything, and make them better, or may even make new ones. But anyway, I've been Jacob Cleaver, aka the Prop Meister. Please like, subscribe, ding dong that notification bell, share with your friends. And sorry, this was supposed to go out yesterday, but on Monday, 3rd of December, but I was too tired and everything, trying to start a new job, So sorry about that. But the next episode should be coming out on Thursday, and also my live streams is going to be Friday. This time Friday at 7 p.m. So yeah, thank you, and I will see you in the next video. And if you got to this point, you are my stuff.